Artificial intelligence isn't just changing the world, it's reshaping what it means to be human. Here's a jaw-dropping fact. AI algorithms can now create art so intricate that even experts struggle to tell it apart from human creations. But how did we get here, and what's next? Today, let's explore the 10 fascinating stages of AI development and uncover where we're headed in this incredible journey. Stage 1. The dawn of AI. In 1956, the Dartmouth Conference marked the birth of artificial intelligence as a concept. A group of brilliant minds gathered to ask one question: can machines think? Back then, computers were glorified calculators. Yet, the visionaries like John McCarthy believed machines could one day simulate human reasoning. Though their early successes were basic, teaching computers to play simple games like chess, this stage laid the foundation for what we now call AI. Without these humble beginnings, we wouldn't have Siri, Alexa, or even self-driving cars today. Stage 2. Symbolic AI, teaching machines. Logic. The 1960s and 70s saw the rise of symbolic AI, also known as good old-fashioned AI, GoFAI. Scientists began programming machines to use logic, symbols, and rules to mimic human decision-making. This era brought systems like Eliza, a simple chatbot that mimicked a psychotherapist by reflecting user input back as questions. While primitive, Eliza opened up a crucial question: how human do machines need to sound to convince us they're intelligent? But symbolic AI hit a wall. Real-world problems, with their endless complexities, couldn't be solved by rigid rules alone. The AI winter, an era of dashed hopes and reduced funding, was on the horizon. Stage 3. The neural network revolution. In the 1980s, neural networks sparked new hope. Unlike symbolic AI, neural networks mimicked the human brain by using interconnected nodes to process information. One of the breakthroughs came from Geoffrey Hinton, often called the godfather of AI. His work on backpropagation, a method that allows neural networks to learn from mistakes, paved the way for modern machine learning. However, neural networks were still limited by computing power and data availability at the time. They were powerful in theory, but lacked the fuel to realize their full potential. Stage 4. The machine learning era. Enter the 2000s, a time when data exploded. From social media to smartphones, the world was suddenly producing trillions of bytes of information every second. Machine learning, a subset of AI, thrived on this data. Instead of programming machines explicitly, scientists trained them to learn patterns. For example, Google's spam filter wasn't hard-coded with rules. It learned by analyzing millions of emails. This stage marked a shift. AI wasn't just about mimicking human thought. It was about optimizing and improving processes at a speed humans could never match. Stage 5. Deep learning and the AI boom. By the 2010s, deep learning, a more advanced form of neural networks, took the stage. It allowed AI to process vast amounts of unstructured data, like images, audio, and videos. Here's a fun fact. In 2012, a deep learning system trained by Google identified a cat in a YouTube video without being told what a cat was. That moment might sound small, but it was revolutionary. Deep learning powered major breakthroughs like self-driving cars, voice assistants, and real-time language translation. Suddenly, AI wasn't a niche tool. It was everywhere, from Netflix recommendations to cancer diagnosis systems. Stage 6. Narrow AI dominance. Today, most of the AI we interact with is narrow AI. It's incredibly good at specific tasks, but clueless outside its domain. Think of OpenAI's GPT models, which can generate human-like text, or Tesla's autopilot, designed to navigate cars. These systems don't think like humans. They're trained to solve narrowly defined problems. Here's the catch. While narrow AI can outperform humans in tasks like image recognition, it still lacks true understanding or general intelligence. That leads us to the next stage. Stage 7. General AI, the Holy Grail. General AI, also known as AGI, Artificial General Intelligence, refers to machines that can learn, reason, and solve problems across diverse domains, just like humans. It's the stuff of science fiction, but researchers are inching closer. Imagine a machine capable of performing surgery in the morning, composing music by noon, and designing skyscrapers by night, all without retraining. However, AGI raises enormous ethical and existential questions. If machines become as intelligent as humans, how do we control them? What happens to jobs, privacy, and even humanity itself? Stage 8. Superintelligence. The point of no return. Superintelligence, as envisioned by thinkers like Nick Bostrom, goes beyond human intelligence. This is when AI surpasses human capabilities in all fields: science, creativity, emotional understanding, and more. Here's a staggering thought. A superintelligent AI could potentially solve problems like climate change or even cure aging, but it could also introduce catastrophic risks if its goals don't align with ours. Elon Musk once warned, "With AI, we are summoning the demon." While it's a dramatic statement, it underscores the need for caution as we approach this stage. Stage 9. AI and consciousness. One of the most debated stages in AI development is the possibility of consciousness. Can a machine ever be truly self-aware? Scientists are divided. Some argue consciousness is a uniquely biological phenomenon, while others believe it's just a complex computation that machines could replicate. If AI becomes conscious, it raises profound philosophical questions. Do machines have rights? Can they suffer? And most importantly, how do we coexist with entities that think and feel like us? Stage 10. The integration of AI and humanity. The final stage isn't about AI replacing us. It's about merging with it. Neuralink, a company co-founded by Elon Musk, is already developing brain-computer interfaces that could integrate AI directly into human brains. This could enhance memory, boost intelligence, and even eliminate diseases. But this stage blurs the line between humans and machines. If we integrate with AI, do we lose part of what makes us human? Or does it propel us into a new era of evolution? AI's journey through these 10 stages isn't just about technology. It's about redefining life as we know it. From humble beginnings at the Dartmouth Conference to the possibilities of superintelligence and human integration, we're living through a transformation unlike anything in history. But here's the real question. What role do we as humans play in shaping this future? Will AI become our greatest ally or our biggest challenge? Bonus fact. Did you know the concept of AI was first imagined in ancient myths? The Greek myth of Talos, a giant bronze robot, is often considered humanity's first vision of artificial intelligence. If this blew your mind, hit that subscribe button and join us for more deep dives into the world of tech and innovation. The future is unfolding right before our eyes. Don't blink.